According to the tabulate library, pipe format and simple format correspond to simple tables and pipe tables in Pandoc markdown extension. I wasn't able to process these tables on VS Code. I had to first download Pandoc. I just write Pandoc, download, starting Pandoc. I clicked on download the latest installer. Then I clicked here in the assets list. Instead of downloading the MSI file, I downloaded the zip file. Then I extracted the folder. Here is the folder, Pandoc. So I copied this folder in another permanent folder because the downloads folder is temporary. I empty it regularly. So I have programs folder here. I put in my Pandoc and I copied the path, this folder. Then I went to environment variables, edit environment variables, and I edited the path and I Pandoc variable. So this is for the user and this is for the system. After that, I went to the command prompt to be sure that it was installed. Version. My tables are in this folder. I'm going to convert first the pipe or the simple table to a PDF file. It requires you to have PDF LaTeX or PDF engine, converter engine, to be able to generate PDF. I've already installed MikTeX, so it automatically install LaTeX. So I think this is why it will enable the conversion. Now it converted the table, so we have a simple table. So this is the resulting table. Okay. The second format is pipe. If you Google it, it will require you to add a filter type or format type pipe tables. I added this format, but the result was the same. So I'm not adding it right now. Also, you can change the position of the input and put it in the end. This is the default in the guide. This is how it's described in the guide. So you can write your input at the end. Gave me the same result. So we can have here our table. I had same table, so I don't know if this is what's supposed to be. I don't know if it's the table that's supposed to be generated, but this is the resulted table that I've got. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.